Buying a real estate investment. To buy a real estate investment, pay the down payment. Adjust your cash ledger, and if a loan is required, see loans on page 9 of the instruction manual or in the Loans and Paying Off Debt video. Then, in the Asset column, under Real Estate, write in the type of real estate, the down payment you paid, and the cost of real estate. In the Liabilities column, under Real Estate, write in the type of real estate and the mortgage amount you owe. In the Income column, under Real Estate, write in the type of real estate and the amount of cash flow. On the right-hand side of the financial statement, recalculate the following: passive income, total income, and monthly cash flow. Remember, your monthly cash flow equals total income minus expenses. Note, the only cash you pay to purchase real estate is the down payment. The mortgage payment has already been calculated into the cash flow on the card. You do not need to enter an expense for this mortgage payment.